Hello guys, welcome to K Cricket Score. In this video, we will be presenting you the 5 reasons why India lost 3-match ODI series against the Aussies. No one would have predicted that India will lose the 3-match series 2-1. But due to comprehensive performance from Australia in the first 2 ODIs, they ended up winning the series. India lacked the intent in the first 2 matches, but in the third ODI, most of the players showed the intent and performed well. With less than 48 hours left for the T20 series, India need to change a lot of things against the strong Aussies. So the reason number 1 for India losing the series is wrong team selection. After bad performances in first ODI, Yuzvendra Chahal and Navdeep Saini were given chances in the second ODI. Even in the second ODI, they did not perform well. They ended up leaking a lot of runs. In the third ODI, they made a lot of changes. They brought in Shardul Thakur, T. Natarajan, Kuldeep Yadav and Shubman Gill. Shardul Thakur, Natarajan and Kuldeep Yadav bowled really well. If India had made these changes in the second ODI, they could have won that match, but they didn't do so. Reason number 2 is not taking wickets in the power play. In the first ODI, they picked the first wicket in 27th over. In the second ODI, they picked the first wicket in the 22nd over. And in the third ODI, they picked the first wicket in the 5th over, that is inside the power play. India lost the first 2 matches where they didn't pick a single wicket in the power play, but they won the third ODI where they picked the wicket inside the power play. Reason number 3, poor fielding. India are known for their good fielding over the years. India has produced a lot of good fielders in the past. But in this tour, India have dropped a lot of catches. The likes of Hardik Pandya, Shikhar Dhawan and Ravindra Jadeja have dropped the catches in this series, which proved costly for India. Even in the third ODI, Shikhar Dhawan dropped a catch but didn't prove costly for India. Reason number 4, not getting good starts from the openers. Indian openers struggled to build a good opening partnership, but on the other side, David Warner and Aaron Finch were giving excellent starts for Australia in first 2 ODIs. In the first ODI, India lost their first wicket in the 5th over. In the second ODI, India lost their first wicket in the 7th over, and in the third ODI, India lost their first wicket in 5th over. This is the main reason for India's loss in the ODI series. Reason number 5, bad captaincy. In the third ODI, Virat Kohli was at his best. He was very aggressive and was bringing good bowling changes and was setting good fields. But in the first 2 ODIs, he lacked intent and the body language of Indian cricket team was very low. As everyone knows, Virat always brings a lot of energy to the team, but his body language was very low in the first 2 ODIs as compared to the third one. So India may have lost the match due to bad captaincy from Virat Kohli. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. For more cricket videos, subscribe to K Cricket Score and click the bell icon so that you never miss an update.